Good afternoon. My name is Carmen Burbano. I am the Director of the School Meals Coalition Secretariat and Director of the World Food Program's School Meals and Social Protection Service. It is a true honor to address you today on a topic that is so crucial for our children's well-being and the future of our communities. The importance of school meals cannot be overstated. They are multi-sectoral game changers. They do not only support the health, nutrition, and education of children, but can have far-reaching benefits for whole communities. For instance, when school meals are procured locally, they strengthen local economies, they create jobs, they support the transformation of local food systems, and they can support the food security of whole communities. Recognizing the cross-sectoral importance of school meals, 3 years ago, a coalition of visionary governments came together to establish what we now know as the School Meals Coalition at the UN Food Systems Summit. The coalition is a government-led initiative which has mobilized national political leadership at the highest levels. Today, we're very proud to say that it counts over 100 member countries and over 130 partners that are supporting governments to implement or expand their school meal programs around the globe. WFP is proudly supporting the coalition as its secretariat. The coalition's primary aim is to ensure that every child can receive a healthy meal in school by 2030. Since its launch, the coalition has been instrumental in shaping the global school meals agenda and has catalyzed action and progress at global level. For example, the first objective of the coalition was to establish or restore access to school meal programs that were lost during the COVID-19 pandemic, and this objective was already achieved. In 2022, 418 million children received school meals compared to 388 before the pandemic. Also, between 2020 and 2022, global investments in school meals increased by $5 billion. More than 90% of that is coming from domestic investments. Especially in low-income countries, they have prioritized school meals and increased their domestic funding by 15%, even as they're struggling with fiscal challenges. These global improvements have been made possible by governments that have tirelessly advocated for these programs in regional and global platforms and also at national level. These champion governments continue to work on improving their national programs and supporting efforts of other countries through financing and through sharing of good practices, so it's become quite a network. Despite these successes, our work is far from over. School meals coverage remains lowest where it is needed the most, and in low-income countries, for example, coverage is only 18%. In addition, most countries can still work on improving the quality of their programs and ensuring that they are providing a comprehensive package of interventions. So, for example, the school meals combined with nutrition education, with vaccinations, with deworming, this really enhances the impact of these investments in these programs. Parliamentarians can play a critical role in advancing this agenda. Through advocacy, legislation, budget allocation, and government oversight, your support is key to ensure that sustainable school meal programs contribute to better health and improved academic performance for all children. To help with this, IPNEd, a very strong partner of the School Meals Coalition, created a toolkit for parliamentarians, which provides you with evidence-based information, actionable guidance to support school meal programs. I encourage you all to use your unique positions to push for national policies, for budgetary allocations that prioritize nutritious and balanced school meals. Healthy school meals improve children's health, educational outcomes, and overall well-being, and provide a very strong foundation for the communities that they grow. They are and will continue to be a vital investment in the future of our youth. I wish you a very good and productive meeting and thank IPNEd again for their partnership.